Hello, my name is Stella, and today I'm teaching you how to import from 1688 by yourself without agents. Yes, you can do it. All you need is your mobile phone and your data. So follow me and let's do this together.
Okay, so you go to your 1688 app and log into your account.
And you start searching for whatever you want to buy. Remember, you can use that camera icon inside the search space to search with pictures that you already have on your phone gallery. So we're searching for hair now. Then you tap on the product and go through it. This is another type of hair. This is the packet hair. So you can search for anything you want to buy. If you don't know the correct name to write, you can use your gallery. Use the camera icon over there and use it to search from your gallery. So this is another thing you can search for, the bracelets, and these are what the company have for sale. This is another type of bracelet from the same company. All right, let's move forward to what I want to buy today. Okay, so let's buy this power bowl. You tap on the product. You look for your specification and pick the quantity of what you want. Yeah, this is specification. You select how many pieces do you want, what color do you want. Then you tap on buy now. That buy now is the thicker color of the orange. You tap on it. After selecting the size, the color and the quantity that you want, you tap on the dark orange that is down there. That is buy now. The other orange color is add to cart. Take you to your shopping page. You tap on this Chinese that is long. When you tap on it, you go to your iTranslate and copy the name like this and paste it here. Paste it there. When you paste it there, I've written, please write this so name on my package so that your package will not get lost. After that, you tap on the orange down there, pay now. Then it will take you to your Alipay. It will take you to your Alipay, yeah. Then when you get to your Alipay, you tap the orange color down there again. It's asking if I want to use Alipay or card. I'm using Alipay because I have money on Alipay. So you tap on the orange color down there. Then your order will move to space that says ready to be delivered. Then when they have given your goods to shipping company to move to the next one, then you can continue shopping on the site. It is as easy as that. You can continue going through the site, pick more things to buy, and follow the steps I just showed you. If you have urgent questions or you want me to teach you more about China importation, my WhatsApp contact is on the screen. You can chat me up on WhatsApp or drop a comment under this video. I'll teach you everything you need to know. I'll respond to you as soon as I see it. Alright guys, that's the end of the class. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's meet again in my next video. Alright, bye.